Hello children, welcome back to class 3 EVS. The topic is Friendly Leaves part 2. In part 1, we learned about different types of leaves and also learned shedding of leaves and how to prepare compost with fallen leaves. In part 2, we will learn about the uses of leaves. Learning outcome. By the end of part 2, you will be able to learn about leaves that we eat, leaves used for decoration, leaves that give us color and fun. First, have a look at the mind map. Uses of leaves. We eat leaves, we decorate with leaves, we make art with leaves, leaves give color. Before going to the topic, let's learn some new keywords. Decoration, henna. Uses of leaves. We eat leaves. Look at these leaves on the screen. Can you name them? Let's say them together. This is coriander leaf. We use it in curries and chutneys. It gives a nice smell and taste. These are curry leaves. We use them in dals and curries. They make food smell yummy. This is mint leaf. We use it in chutney, tea, and juice. It is cool and fresh. These are fenugreek leaves. We cook them in dal and chapatis. They are very healthy. This is spinach. It is rich in iron and vitamins. We use it in curry and soup. This is amaranth leaf. We cook it as a leafy curry. It keeps us strong. Well done, children. Now you know the names of the leaves we eat and how they help us stay healthy and strong. We decorate with leaves. Look at this house. It is decorated with green leaves. Can you guess why?
For a festival.
Yes, during festivals, people decorate their homes with leaves. In the picture, Kamla used mango, banana, and coconut leaves. They make the house look fresh and beautiful. We use these leaves during festivals, marriages, village fairs, jatras. Do you decorate your house like this during Pongal, Dashera, or Diwali?
Yes, we hang mango leaves at the door. We use banana trees at the gate.
That's wonderful. Even in schools, we decorate the gates and stage with leaves during special events. Leaves make the surroundings beautiful. We use them in festivals and special days. Colors from leaves. Do you know some leaves give color too? Henna, gorintaku, is made from leaves. We apply it during birthdays and festivals. It gives a beautiful red color to the hands. We make art with leaves. Leaves are also fun to play with. You can collect different leaves, stick them on paper. Make shapes like a bird, an elephant, a rat, and add eyes, legs, or wings with crayons. Show your art to your friends or put it on the notice board. Remember, children, leaves are not just green and pretty. They're useful too. We eat them, we decorate with them, we play and create with them. Leaves help us in so many ways. So next time you see a leaf, think about how special it is. Have a good day, children. See you in the next class with a new lesson. Bye, children.